Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Popcaan, where we come from. Very important to remember that and go back to your roots. Anyway, that's what they do here. And this will be a quick one. We have 4 chords, no need for capo here, and it rolls in the same way. So let's do it. Starting with the chords, and we have D first. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. A next. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. F sharp minor, it's a bar chord where you place index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings there as much as you can. And then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And then the final chord will be E. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So D, A, F sharp minor, E, that's the order of it. We need to learn the strumming, and it's 2 parts split there. So let's take a look at the first transition from D to A. So part 1 for D goes that, and that is down, down, up, clap. Okay, that's first part, down, down, up, clap, and then you shift immediately to A and play part 2, which will be down, sharp pause, and then down, clap, down. So down, pause, and down, clap, down. You put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And then you apply the same principles for the next 2 chords, F sharp minor, part 1, played in the same way as D, down, down, a clap, and then E, part 2, down, down, clap, down. So that is one chord progression, and it goes like this. And a couple rounds to get the feeling for this song. It goes like this. So good luck with this one, guys. Popcaan, where we come from. And yeah, play tuned.